third Beit HaMikdash is a spiritual dugma, and it is a physical building, and they will come together. Now when and how, I'm not sure. But where, I do know. It's right down the road here. And when it happens, you're not going to be able to get a ticket. We'll be lucky if you stand in line for a week to get close to the Beit HaMikdash Shlishi. We'll be lucky if you stand in line for a week to get close to the Beit HaMikdash Shlishi.
Can't stop it. The rabbis tell us that three things come as surprise: the bite of a scorpion, finding a lost object, and the Messiah.